Here it is, guys. Okay, everything's buttoned back up. Jump box is on it. ECU's back in. Start it up. I don't think it's got enough battery. So hold on. Let's try this again. Dang it. Alright, might have to wait a little longer to start this. Well, I was actually able to get started, guys. Sweet. Let's check my Hondata app. Let's see. Hondata. It does have a check light code. Alright, let me set this up real quick. Okay, had to bring out my old phone, check engine lights for the air intake, temperature. That's a weird one, I haven't had that one before. Gotta figure out if I forgot to plug that in somewhere. Battery's at 14 volts. Putting it through the gears. We'll go 6 gear cruising. This thing has no idea what it's in. Alright, back in neutral. Gotta be careful because I know it gets a little hot because I need to figure out the coolant leak in it. Alright, I'm going to put it down on all 4. You know, I think I'm going to shut it off for a minute. Alright guys, it's all down on all 4s. Only thing I got to do is bleed the clutch and it's ready to go. That's it. And I can't remember. I gotta fix that. I messed that up. Perfect. It Alright, you guys, it's all done. Idles. Like I said, I just gotta bleed the clutch, and I really am debating if I'm going to pull this freaking crap back off just so I could get that sensor. I didn't realize I pinched it. You can maybe see. Let me see. It's like pinched in between the block and the motor. You can see the electric tape. I don't know, maybe you guys can't see it. If you're able to see it, you're going to see it right there. But I don't know if it's just hanging up there, hanging on to dear life, or if it's going to fall in, hit the flywheel, break into 100 pieces, and just fall out the end. I'm quite honestly debating on just letting it fall down, break into 100 pieces, and brittle itself out. Other than that, it's done. Axlers are in, fluids in. It starts. It'll drive better when I bleed the clutch. So, yeah, guys, one thing done on this. I'll debate on what I want to do, because I honestly don't know what I want to do right now. Message a friend, see what we could think of. I wish I can unbolt the transmission. I just don't want to pull the axles. I just freaking put fluid in. I really don't want to just leak this fluid, but I don't know. We'll see. We shall see what I come up with, or if I'm just gonna run with it. I do gotta get that air intake temp sensor replaced now, but that's it, guys. How to replace the axles. Don't pinch your harness like I did and lose a sensor. But like, subscribe, share. More videos to come. Integra's almost back on the road, guys. It's almost there. So thank you, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.